This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and in today's video I'll show how you can change the light settings on this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, then launch the ARLO Secure app, open the devices section, then your camera, then its settings. Here go into the light settings, and now you can at the light settings page, you can switch on or switch off the spotlight feature. You can change the light brightness, or you can also switch its behavior profile between constant, flash, and pulsate. So let's switch it to flash, and that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.